Alright, you all, so your boy has finally made it back home, man. Y'all already know what time it is. Let's get into this fit. As far as the outfit today, we did end up purchasing a Ralph-Lauren hoodie, the Double R brand. Now, the Double R is basically, not mistaken, y'all can correct me if I'm wrong. It is, of course, Ralph Lauren, which is his name, and Ricky Lauren, which is his wife. That's where you see the double R and the L right there. Now, I definitely had to find something to put together with these sneakers. As far as y'all have seen the thumbnail, you probably already know what the sneakers are. But this hoodie was dope right here. It's so it doesn't have like the normal hoodies where both of your hands will come across and meet up front right here. It actually stops. And the back of the hoodie is just nothing right there. So let me try this joint on and let y'all see how it looks. Front of the hoodie, you all, tell me what you think about it. This faded red colorway right here, definitely dope. It's actually on the sleeves as well. Like the fit of it. Turn around and let y'all see the back. And then, like I said, nothing really at the back. It does carry like an open hoodie. And the front right here, these pockets, once again, like I said, the traditional hoodies where you can touch both of your hands. These right here, this is stop. And of course, you got the Ralph Lauren across the front, the double RL right there. Yeah, man, y'all comment down below. Let me know what y'all think about this hoodie. But yeah, it's something about the double RL brand. That is, like I say, I always tell y'all all the time, it is my favorite brand, along with the Polo Sport. But this one right here, just the pieces they make, how this feels like different from all my other Polo hoodies for some reason. I don't know if they use a different fabric or a different cloth, but it's definitely dope. And right here on the hoodie, it's like it's open right here. So it's dope. So let's get into the sneakers that we will be rocking with this hoodie. Now as for the sneakers, if you guys don't know what this box is right here, this is probably the most sought after sneaker in the world right now. These are the Air Jordan 4 Bricks by Nigel Sylvester. I actually put in on a raffle on sneakers for these. Lost, didn't get it. I pretty much knew that, so I kind of like purchased the sneaker to get the lowest prices I could, like right before they dropped. So let me show y'all the sneaker. And like even with this box right here, it feels like, and it feels like a brick because that's what he named the shoe after. I ain't gonna get too far into detail. Like I said, this shoe is all over YouTube right now. But this is dope how they put that inside of the box. Now, even with the unboxing of the sneakers, shout out to Goat as well. Goat, yeah, y'all got, shout out to Goat. It came in a box like this. Basically, I didn't get too into like why it came like wrapped like this, but I know it's like it had something to do with like the bricks or where he from or something like that. Me personally, I just like the sneaker. I'm a fashion guy. I buy my sneakers to wear them. Like, so if it's something I see that I like, I don't really do too much studying. If I like it, I study into it. I just know that this shoe, like the blue part that's wrapped around, it has something to do about the bricks where we from. So let me undo this shoe right here. And they came in like a bag, so with the sneaker that come in the bag, that's pretty dope as well. I really should start doing like all the joints like that. $200. So, alright, so let me show y'all this shoe right here. Not only when it coming in the bag, like they wrapped it like in the plastic. So now this is a sneaker right here. This shoe right here was hard to me, and it's like a faded red. It's like a two-tone, two colors of red on this sneaker, and it actually came with white laces. Me personally, I probably swapped the white laces. I don't know, this shoe just stood out to me. I don't know if it's because red is one of my favorite colors, but in the material of the shoe, this is dope. Now it is a collab by a BMX guy by the name of Nigel Sylvester. And at the back, normally Jordans say Nike Air. At the back right here it says bike, because he does ride bikes for a living, professional biking. And like I said, my favorite part of the shoe is the white laces. And I'll show y'all because I laced them up with white as well. And probably like the white part on the back right here. So let me show you guys the white laces real quick. Now, as y'all can see right here, this sneaker that I laced up with the white lace, I don't know, the white lace stood out to me for some reason. I don't know why. And like when I seen the shoe at first, I was definitely rocking with the red laces. Now y'all comment down below and let me know if y'all like the red laces better or the white laces better. Like I said, I thought one of them had, both of them say bike at the back. But yeah, I'm feeling these white laces right here, y'all, to go with this hoodie. Not only that, it does have like the double RL up front in white, so I'm definitely feeling that. Let y'all see both of these again. Fire, these are hard. And like I say, once again, when y'all comment down below, let me know what y'all think about the fit. Let me know what y'all think about these sneakers. Did y'all go after these sneakers? Cause from what I'm seeing, like these were not a easy come by. Over retail, definitely I had to pay for these. And if you did get them for retail, you lucky as, I ain't gonna say, but you lucky. But yeah, man, like I say, these are dope. Fire, these hard. Once again, comment down below. Let me know what y'all think about the sneakers. Let me know what y'all think about the hoodie. Just let me know what you think about the double RL, period. Because once again, like I was telling y'all, this is my favorite line from poloralphlauren. And you guys, like I always say, thank y'all once again for tuning in to another video. My bad, your boy been out so long, a little under the weather. And before I get out of here, we're on our way to 10,000 subs. Y'all make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe so we can get this video out to the people. And to the next video, man, thank y'all. I love y'all. I'm out.
Riding in the car, you probably can't even pronounce. Shawty got that ass, my tracks will truly make it bounce. Home run, hit her for the hometown. In the long run, killing with my own sound. Niggas vibes are out because I'm on now. Way up and I stay up like a drone now. Can't say sorry if I hit you with the mix. It's probably cause you hit me with the switch. Hey, K-Man clubbing every time we hit the Ville. Tropicana twister, baby girl, just wanna